Hey everybody, it's Matt, your travel sidekick here. Today we are continuing my hometown, Richmond, Virginia, things to do. You know, when COVID is over, people can come back here, or if you're in Richmond, Virginia, I've got lots of friends that are probably watching this. They can probably forgot about this place. But today we are going to a very different place. We are going to, it's really a must-see. It's Hollywood Cemetery. That's right, I said cemetery. Just trust me. Before we get into the video, if you could go ahead and hit that subscribe button, it really helps out my channel. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Located along the James River in my hometown of Richmond, Virginia, Hollywood Cemetery was established in 1847 and spans 135 acres. It is the second most visited cemetery in the United States, next to Arlington National Cemetery. Along Waterview Avenue, this cemetery has one of the best views of the James River. Check it out. One of the graves here was of Louis Ginter, and he was one of the richest, wealthiest men in Richmond. Now, Louis Ginter actually, a couple of his projects were the Jefferson Hotel in Ginter Park, which are also great sights to see. And then we can't forget the Botanical Gardens. That was that's the Louis Ginter we're talking about here. Numerous notables have been laid to rest here within the cemetery, including 6 Virginia governors, 2 Supreme Court justices, and some prominent authors. I'm here at President's Circle, and another neat place to stop, as there are 2 presidents here. There's James Monroe, who was the 5th president of the United States, and the other one is, I believe, John Tyler. Yes, the 10th president of the United States. So it's really cool just to come and see all the history. So let's go take a look. The iron canopy over James Monroe's tomb, often known as the Bird Cage, was registered as a National Historic Landmark by the National Park Service. Hollywood Cemetery is not just a cemetery, it's a museum that has a lot of U.S. history. When you visit, be sure to check out all of the historical tours offered.